They call it the miracle tree. But few ever talk about the part buried beneath the soil. The roots of Moringa Oleifera, the hidden half of the world's most powerful plant. The leaves and pods feed and nourish. They balance blood sugar, calm inflammation, and protect the heart. But the roots? They awaken the body's deeper chemistry, sharp, potent, and precise. Inside those slender roots live compounds you won't find in the leaves. Moringenine, an alkaloid that acts like nature's ephedrine, and benzyl isothiocyanates, sulfur-rich molecules that fight bacteria, parasites, even cancer cells. Where the leaves cool the system, the roots stir it. They quicken circulation, flush toxins through the kidneys, and spark the body's cleansing fire. For centuries, healers treated the root as sacred medicine. In India, it was ground with turmeric and sesame oil to soothe aching joints. In Nigeria and the Philippines, fresh roots were pressed against aching teeth to numb pain and draw out infection. In Sri Lanka, decoctions were used for paralysis and nerve weakness, said to restore nerve fire. Across Africa and Asia, crushed roots were laid on snake bites and scorpion stings to neutralize venom. And in the Caribbean, small root infusions were taken after fever or sluggish digestion to cleanse the blood and restore strength. These weren't casual remedies, they were measures of respect. Every healer knew a dose too strong could overstimulate the pulse or unsettle the stomach. The root's strength demanded precision. Modern science now confirms what tradition recorded. A 2020 BMC complementary medicine study showed root extracts halting the growth of E. coli and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. A paper in the Asian Pacific Journal of Cancer Prevention found that its benzyl isothiocyanates triggered apoptosis, self-destruction in colon and breast cancer cells while sparing healthy tissue. Researchers have also documented antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antiparasitic actions that echo its historical uses. In Ayurveda, it was both purifier and stimulant, moving the blood and opening the lungs. In West Africa, it expelled intestinal worms and brought down fever. In the Caribbean, it restored vitality after illness. Even reproductive healers used it with precision, small doses to lift vitality, larger ones to end pregnancy. Power and caution, side by side. That's the essence of this plant. Balance. The leaves nourish, the roots ignite. Together they cleanse and rebuild, calm and awaken. So while the leaves and pods heal from above, the roots work from below, reminding us that true medicine isn't just what feeds the body, but what challenges it to renew. This is Moringa Oleifera, the miracle tree whose roots run deeper than nutrition, a living lesson in power, balance, and respect.